So the first step is to breathe correctly. Breathing is a very, very important part of our human body, human system, but still most of us do not know how to breathe correctly. Whatever we do, normally that we breathe, it is shallow breathing. In this shallow breathing, we are able to utilize only less than 20% of our lung capacity. So what happens? More than 80% of our lung capacity is sitting idle, is not being utilized. So when we do deep breathing, when we do correct breathing, when we do abdominal breathing, when we do yogic breathing, we are able to use 80%, 90%, more than 95% of our lung capacity, depending upon how well we are doing it. So let's see once how to do. What you can do is, wherever you are sitting, just sit straight, spine straight, trunk, neck and head in one straight line, and inhale deeply. Exhale completely. One more time, let's try. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. So now what is happening is, we are taking in more air into our lungs. More air means more oxygen. Now I'll tell you, when beginners do it, when you do it for the first time, normally what people do is, when you will say inhale deeply, what normally people do is, they do like this. Inhale, exhale. I'll tell you again. Inhale deeply, exhale completely. So this is better than shallow breathing, but this is not the correct way also. So what is happening right now is, while inhaling, you are raising your shoulders and you are expanding your chest to take in more air into your lungs. But the correct way to breathe is consciously not allowing your shoulders to rise and not allowing your chest to expand. And then you inhale deeply. So when your chest will not rise, your shoulders will not rise, your chest will not expand, where will the air go? The air will go into your stomach, belly. Then your abdomen will expand. So now let's try once again. Inhale deeply. Abdomen expands. Exhale completely. Abdomen contracts. See once again, I'm keeping my palm over here on my abdomen. Inhale deeply. Abdomen expands. Exhale completely. Abdomen contracts. So now what is happening? When your abdomen expands, the diaphragm, which is here, just in between your lungs and abdomen, the diaphragm moves down and your lungs, which are in this shape, are able to expand more and take in more air. So when we do this, then we are able to use 80%, 90%, more than 95% of our lung capacity, depending upon how well we are doing it. So this is yogic breathing, abdominal breathing. So once again, let's try. You can try with me. Twice I will do it. Inhale deeply. Abdomen expands. Exhale completely. Abdomen contracts. Once more. Inhale deeply. Abdomen expands. Exhale completely. Abdomen contracts. So this is yogic breathing, abdominal breathing. Now there is one small element still left in this, which I'll discuss at some later point of time, because you should graduate gradually. With this, if you practice for few days, few weeks or few months, you will master it, and then you will reach from less than 20% to more than 90%,